Welcome to Bergen, Norway. Today we're walking through Norway's second largest city. See what life is like around here. Bergen is Norway's second largest city, behind Oslo. 290,000 residents. The greater metropolitan area getting 430 people to live here full time. Taking a walk around the waterfront, fish market area. Here, that's where it's going down. Got this old boy playing the accordion. And it's super nice. There's a funicular. It's not going up the mountain now, but see these homes on a hill. Here we got the market. The population here is growing about 0.7% to 1% per year, year over year. Median age here is 40 years old. Norway's average is 40 years old compared to the United States, 39. Average income is about 72,000 US dollars. For the United States, average salary is 67,000 US dollars. Current unemployment rates between 2 and 3%. With the EU around 5.8. US around 4%. This is one of Europe's healthiest job markets. (45 to 50% of adults in Bergen have a college degree. And the University of Bergen is here. Housing quite expensive here. Between 6,600 and 8,200 USD per square meter. So a 75 square meter apartment will run you 510 to 600,000 US dollars. A little reindeer sausage, moose burger, baked potato. Look how cute these buildings are over here on the waterfront. Looks like we made it to the high rent district. It's roughly 20 to 30% less expensive than Oslo here. One bedroom apartment downtown is going to run you $1,300 to $1,800 in rent. Home ownership rates is 75% compared to 66% in the US. This is one of the highest ownership rates in Europe. But the cost of living is 40 to 60% higher than the European average. Basic meals costing 26 US dollars here on average. Take a look at this ship. Coffee on average, $5.60. gas quite expensive here, running about $8.80 USD a gallon. Woo! Violent crime's extremely low, 40 to 60%, lower than the US average in American City, with most crimes involving bike theft, pickpocketing, and property crime. Life expectancy here is 83 years compared to 78 in the United States. Highs in July averaged 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and lows in January 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Largest industries here are oil and gas, shipping, seafood, renewable energy, technology, tourism, and higher education. Foreign-born residents make up about 20% of the city. Norway consistently ranks quality of life rankings, top 5 or 10 for many categories. People are living here for the incredible scenery, low crime, high salaries, excellent health care, clean streets, and the outdoor lifestyle. Only thing that's tough here is the weather. And that's our walk around Bergen. If you're coming here on a cruise ship, drop me a like. If you're not, drop me a follow. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.